It's very loud. Aku tanya dia. Okay, Ryan, there's a few ways of doing this. Shafi, you going to use substitution method or what method you going to do? Okay, Shafi, you don't listen to the explanation. You try to do. You know how to do, right, Shafi? Okay, Ryan, down here, Ryan, can you see the board? Shafi, you copy the question. I'm going to rub off the question in a moment. Okay. Okay, Ryan, you have this now. Down here now, y equals to 2x minus 1. I call it equation 1. This is equation 2. Notice I can put this value inside y here. Do you realize that? So I put substitute 1 into 2. Okay, so I copy this 5x minus 2. Y, I put a bracket. Why? I want to put the value of y inside here. Okay, equals to 21. You don't get it. Can you see that? You don't get it. Okay, now down here, you have the value of y they give you is 2x minus 8. Then in the other equation got 2y. What is y? According to the first one, y is 2x minus 8. I put in the value here, 2x minus 8. This value now, I am putting inside here, the y here. Okay? So once I put it, you see there's no more y, only x. So I expand 5x minus 2 times 2, 4x. 2 times 8, 16. Minus plus equals to 21. 5x minus 4x is x. 16 you bring over that side. 21 minus 16. Plus 16, bring over, you got minus 16. Okay. And then x is equals to 5. How are you okay? In Shira, we are doing this, but never mind. In Shira, are you together with Shafi in the same house? Staycation? No. You're not staycationing together?
No.
No. Shafi, you're staycationing. In Shira, you're not staycationing. Oh, poor thing, eh? I didn't bring the cousin. Okay. Now down here, Ryan, you know already, you understand this? Now you want to find y, you put the value down here. Now you write in the next one. Substitute x, you know the value of x equals to 5. Into what? You choose a which I choose this one. Why? I put in the value, I can immediately find what is y. So into 1. Y equals to 2. I put the bracket, put the 5 here, because you know x is 5. I put the x inside here. Minus 8. Y, 2 times 5, 10. Minus 8, y equals to 2. How? Shafi, do you get 2 and 5? Shafi, you get 2 and 5?
Still doing.
Oh, still do. Okay, do you do?
Still doing.
Ryan, you understand the method?
I understand the first one, but the second one I don't understand.
Second, okay, now you already know the value of x is 5. So you can put the value of x inside here. This is 5. 2 times 5, 10. 10 minus 8, y equals to 2. Or you want to put inside here, can. But it becomes more complex. 5 right here. 5 times 5, 25. 25, you see, very complex. You can put here and here also. I put in here y because they put it very nicely. Y equals to what? If I solve this one, I know what is y. This one, once I put in here, I got to bring here and bring there. We can still do it also. Okay, now we're going to go to a new topic. Later, you all SMS me what's your results for your WA1. All right? Okay. Why you so shy? Okay, Shafi, you okay? You got 2 for x. X is 5. Y is 2. Do you get it? You don't get it. Show me your working. You write on a piece of paper. Okay, you show me. Come. We will all we'll have to examine Shafi's working. Okay, that's fine. What is the wow, very nice handwriting. This is another student. We can make handwriting into a font. Okay, of course, Inshira does not agree. But it's okay. Let us try. Now, here we go. Let us see. And I am now going to examine Shafiqi's one. Ryan also, let us find what is wrong with this. Huh? Okay, so what Shafiqi is doing now, he wants to bring the x over that side. Okay. Now, why he want to bring there? Originally is like that. Oh, you want to bring over there. Once you bring over there, it become minus 2x plus y minus 8. Okay, so Shafi'i now is choosing a more difficult way of doing it. He see the first pattern is x minus y. So he wants, don't feel comfortable, it's only y here. He want to bring the x over there. Can do that, no problem. Okay, you want to use elimination method, no problem. You bring over there, you got minus 2x plus y equals to minus 8. Okay, so from here it becomes like that. All right, and then what happened? 5x equals to 2. Now you push the y back there. Okay, why? Oh, he wants to find out the value of x. Very complex here, Shafi. Shafi, they already give you the value of y. Why is this? This is y. Why not we put in the value of y inside here? No, inside here, straight. Can what? You see down here? Can you see my screen? You can see my screen, See, Shafi. Down here, they say y equals to 2x minus 8. I can put this value inside here straight. You see? 5x minus 2y, I put this inside here straight. All arranged for me. Equals 21. I times it up, blah, 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 x equals to 5. But you have done your way, so we have to check what happened in your manipulation of things. So now you have now take x, wow, you see, very complex. Can you see? 21 plus 2y over 5, very complex number. Why you don't choose the easier one? Easier one, y equals this. No need to divide over anything. Can you see? You can put inside here. You don't need to have a fraction. But it's okay. Not saying your method is wrong. You are just choosing a more difficult way. So, okay, let us see then. So now, x equals to 21 over plus 2y over 5. Okay, so far this is correct. That means you have done it right. Well done. Okay, and then what you're going to do? Let's see. Now you say x is this. Oh, you're going to substitute. Oh, you're going to substitute down here. You substitute here, is it? Okay, this value, okay, now what Shafi is doing, this is the value of x, right? Down here. Shafi, make a habit to make x like that. Okay? Because otherwise, if you write love letters, your, I'm not saying girlfriend or whatever, you write x times x times x, you think that it's triple x. Okay? It says x times x, yeah. Of course, your school, there's no girlfriend, boyfriend, let's go to solar. Okay, it's better not to have such things at this age. But to each his own. Okay, so here we go. You're going to substitute this value. Ryan, you can see that this value of x, he is going to put it inside here. Inside where? Inside down here. Just now we put the value of y. Now he's going to choose to put the value of x. But more complex. You look at this number. Very complex. But it's okay. So now minus 2x is like that. Plus y equals minus. Okay, let us see. Let us see. So what did he do? Suddenly the 5 disappeared. What did he do? Oh, he times everything by 5, is it? Oh, he times everything by, but he doesn't tell us what he's doing. We got to figure out. It's okay. He times by 5 here. Then he times this one by 5, so become 5y. He times by 5 here, this 5 disappear. Okay, correct. This so far is correct. Okay, let me now see. What else has he done? Okay. I need to remove all these marks now. Okay. So now, after that, what happened? He times out. Minus 42, correct. This one can get 2y. Hello, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4y. You get your mistake already not? One error. One error. You see, 2 times 21, 42, correct. 2 times 2y, minus 4y. Minus 4y plus 5y equals to y, equals to y. 5y minus 4y equals to y. Minus 42, bring over, become plus 42. So y equals to 2, which is the same. Ryan, your answer y equals to 2, right? Same. So your mistake is carelessness. But you have chosen a very difficult way to solve. It's like this, Safi, you have a spoon, sudu. Everyone is eating the rice, you put it down here, everyone. But you say, no, I want to put the rice down here, eat like that. Up to you, can. Rice, you know, your sudu. You know sudu, right? Sudu, you eat, we all put our rice down here. We all sudu, we put a rice here. But for you now, you are saying, you are going to eat, you use a sudu, you put the rice here. Can. Not wrong. But you are making it more complex for yourself. So see what to do. They already give you what is y. You don't need to substitute. Just put the value of y into the y here lah. Correct or not? Hello? Are you get it? You can put it straight inside here. Okay, never mind. Today we're going to go to a new topic. If you are still blur, do you know that you can watch the videos? I'm going to show you how to watch the videos again. Okay, in case you forget. And most students don't watch the videos. So you go over here, you check the YouTube down here. This is my family's video, sorry. So I'm just going to show you how to search. You just go YouTube, right? Because you need to revise. You put down here Mr. Shahid, Zoom, tuition, and then you can put 2021. You search, you get down here. Okay, you right. You can see your brother down here. Your brother seems to be a very famous guy. So down here, you can see down here. You want this one. You can see this boy, handsome boy. Son down here. You can see this guy. Okay, sometimes different person. I see down here this guy. So now you can click all this and you can follow. What I'll do next time, I will create a playlist. See, what am I talking about? Okay, playlist. I think you should know lah. You all know. I will create. I will create a playlist where I will have Sec 2 down here. It will be Sec 2 and A2021. You can click that. All your videos are there. But sometimes your Sec 1 concepts you may not be very good. So you go to the Sec 1 classes. Okay, if you do not want your younger siblings to know, all three of you have a younger sibling. Shafika is Shafi's younger sister. Never mind, you can watch her videos. It's okay, you're not watching her. You're watching, same thing, Ryan, you can watch, what's your sister's name? Rahana's videos. And Inshira, you can watch Zahira, all in Sec 1. You can watch, if let's say you are unclear, you watch their videos now. Okay, don't say, I don't want to watch their videos. My younger brother and sister is not respectful. Look, if you have not mastered the thing, there's no choice. Okay, we are now going to go through. This is on page, just a moment. I'll give you in a page a moment. If you have the Sec 2 book, all right, if you have the Sec 2 book, if you're not bought this, okay, on page, exercise 4A, this is on page 57. You can do this straight inside. All right, now what we're going to do very quickly here, because we are going to move on to a new topic very soon. They are getting 4 questions first. All right, very quickly, and you can key in what your answers are. You can see, huh? I hope you all can see. Shafi, you're looking as if you cannot see. Shafi, you can see? Okay, good. Inshira, okay, you look very cold, Inshira. Oh, very fast. Who's? Oh, very fast. Oh, I'm lagging. Okay, thank you very much for telling me. I will now change to, thank you very much. I will now change to this. Okay, is it better, Ryan? Better, okay. So we go one by one. First one will be Inshira, second one Ryan, third one Shafi'i. Inshira, what's the answer for this one? For question A, just shout it out, please. Inshira, what's the answer? No, just tell me straight. You can just tell me. Okay, 16x4. Okay, all right. 16. Okay, she said the answer is. You can tell her now. Okay. So she says 12 plus 4, 16 x squared. Now this is correct. Why? Because this is the same. Okay, let's say now if you have this, just gonna ask you, please, you cannot add this two, okay? This is like, sorry. Like this plus this, Now it looks the same, but it's not the same, Let's say like that. This one, the answer, you got to leave it alone. Because this is a different creature. This is like 12 banana, this 4 banana split. 12 banana and 4 banana split, you cannot mix them together. You must leave them as 12 banana, 4 banana. But this is x square can. Ryan, what about B? What's the answer for B? Just say out the answer.
3y2.
3y square. Okay, or you 3y square. All right. Shafi, what's the answer for this one? Shafi? C?
I don't know how to do. I don't know how to do.
This one. Okay. Shafi, which part you do not know? You do not know how to remove. Is it the bracket?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I want you to remember now. Remember this chart. Minus equals to plus. Remember not this. Then plus, you remain as plus. Okay. And then there's another one with 2 minus down here. Minus, which is plus and minus and plus. Now you must understand what chart is this for. Inshira, you know this chart is used for what? Inshira? This one is for the times or divide, you know. This is a times or divide chart. So how do you know it's time to divide? Sometimes you have two, can you see two signs like that? You use this chart also. You have two signs, plus, minus. You have to use this. This one no need to use. Why? Because there's only one sign. This means actually there's a 1 year, you know. 1 times this. Actually. But they don't show it. So when you have times or divide, let's say now, minus 2 times minus 3. So what do? You must use this chart. 2 times 3, 6. Minus, plus. But if you have like that, please don't use this chart. Why? This one you owe $2, you owe $3 all together, you owe $5 lah. Okay? Because there's no times, no divide. Can you see now? There's no times, no divide. You don't use this chart. This one there's times, you use this chart. If you have like this, once you see 2 touching the bracket, this means times. Remember, if you have 2 bracket 3, this means times. 2 times 3, you must use this chart. You say this one use this chart? Yes. This is plus, so answer is plus. Sometimes you might have a minus here. Minus, plus, you minus lah. Sometimes minus. This is different from this. Don't think that these two are the same. These are not the same. As I said, the number touching the bracket means times. You must use the chart. 2 times 3, 6. Minus becomes plus 6. Shafi, okay? Okay, so now we go back down here. All right, Shafi, this one, can you see that there's 2 signs down here? Minus, plus. You must use this bracket. So what is your answer? 8x squared. Remove the bracket.
3x squared.
Your answer 3x squared. So minus 5x squared. Minus plus is this and then becomes 3x squared. Okay, good. So this now this skill is which level skill? Sec 1, you know. So that means your Sec 1 maths might be shaky. That's why it's okay to watch the video. Okay, you try to do, you find that you will get better. Of course, you might find it yourself irritated by your sibling. It's okay. Next one, Inshira, what's the answer down here? Inshira, you looks like Zahira today. What happened? Inshira, what's your answer? Inshira, are you blur? Cannot hear you. Unmute. What's the answer? You are still mute. Okay, just switch the places lah, Inshira. Inshira now, how come she don't want to talk? She sent the answer. 11y2. She don't do that. She. Now I show you this is now you try to do this. Let's say now you have minus 1 plus 10. Last time in primary school got no problem. You know why? Because they write for you 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, what is it, Inshira? 10 minus 1? 9. But now we ask you 10 minus 1, you say 11. Now, why is that so? Because now they put the minus in front. And you put the plus behind, then you say, alamak, this one is different. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. So now I want you to learn something in secondary school. Okay, in secondary school, you say, this minus down here is utang. This one you have. I have $10, I utang $1. I pay the $1, I got $9, correct. So if you utang $1, you have $10, it's the same thing. Same thing. So you ask yourself this question. Ask yourself this question so that you don't get confused. If someone give you -2 plus 3, you feel confused, it's okay. You change it around. 3 minus 2 can do not. I put the 3 in front. 3 minus 2 is 1. But how come I feel confused? You feel confused because the whole of your primary school life, you have been trained never to have the minus in front. So the moment you put the minus in front, immediately you go into a little bit of panic. And some of you, the panic has not stopped after 1 year. That's why you are feeling this. So now what you do, you change the position. Maybe it might be easier. Sometimes not. Sometimes it doesn't get easier. For example, you have -10 plus 2. So you say, Mr. Shah, you say change the position. 2 minus 10. You say, okay. This one you change, it doesn't make any difference. It's okay. But you know that you can use, I have $2, I utang $10. You pay the $2. Or you take bigger number minus small number, 8. Follow the sign of the bigger number, minus, finish. You can use this rule all the time. Bigger number minus smaller number. All right, so now that's now you have, what was the question just now? Minus y square plus 10 square, y square. Okay, if you want, you can put it like that. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 y square. All right, now we are going to move on. You have to master this until it's like ABC 1, 2, 3 for you guys and girl. Okay. Guys means it's guy and girl. Okay, you try E to H, please. E to H. Double sign, remember, Ryan, double sign, it means you must use the chart. Double sign, use the chart down here. Okay. Down here, there's no double sign, Inshira, no double sign, don't use the chart. Okay. Where there's double sign, you must use the chart. Okay, the first one we'll ask Ryan, second E Ryan, F Inshira, G Shafi'i. In a moment, okay, we give you 2 minutes to try. Okay. Ryan, what's the answer for the first one?
5, negative 5x2.
Well done. Negative 5x squared. Okay, x squared. Well done. Now, if you're confused, remember you owe $6. You have only $1. Your answer must still be O. You must still owe. Okay. Okay, the next one. Inshira, what is the answer for this one? So she sent the answer. Inshira doesn't want to talk to me. She doesn't want to friend me anymore now. Okay, Inshira, okay, your answer is correct. Inshira says the answer is -12y squared. Correct. Why? Because Inshira borrowed $3 from one sister, $9 from another sister. Altogether, she utang $12. Don't be like this. You go minus becomes plus. I borrowed $3 from my sister, $9 from another sister. Now I have $12. You utang $12, not have $12. You utang because you borrowed. Shafi, what's the answer for G?
4x squared.
4x squared, correct. Because this minus becomes plus 11x squared. Okay. And then, so now -7. So Inshira, if you feel confused like that, what do? You rearrange this now, Inshira. You can put the 11 in front. 11x squared minus 7x squared. Now you might feel less confused, right? You feel more comfortable, right? If you find you feel more comfortable, then you switch lah, no problem. You switch, you get 4x squared. Just like for me, sometimes when I was your age, I didn't like it like that. No, minus y equals to 7. What's the answer? I bring this y over there, become plus y. Okay, I bring the 7 over there, become minus 7. Oh, y equals to minus 7. Okay, then I write y equals to minus 7. Why? Because I feel more comfortable having the y as positive. I bring it there. Can do this also, can. Okay, the next one. Anyone? What's the answer? Ryan, you got the answer for this one? For H?
I never do that one.
Okay, okay, we do together. Minus, Ryan. Minus. Plus, huh?
Yeah, plus.
So now how? This is minus 4y squared plus 4y squared. Minus 4y plus 4y. You have utang $4. You have $4. You pay up the person. So
3.
0.
Zero.
You have $4. You pay $4. Got no more money lah. Okay, Okay, all right. This is considered still okay, no? Because we are moving on to the next one. Now, let us try question B first. B. You must know the steps, huh? Please do B and A. B and A. B, A. Inshi, are you okay? What are you looking at? Don't look at all photographs, please. Inshira, are you okay? I'm just looking at the way she's looking. Very. Okay. What to do if you do not know? Bring all the x's over one side and the other numbers on the other side. Group them together separately. Bring them. Rearrange them. Anyone got answer for the first one? Shafi, what's the answer for the first one?
2y squared plus 3.
This one, 2y squared plus 3. Okay. What about A? Anyone has done A? Ryan, you done A? What's the answer?
5x square and 12.
Good. So 5x squared plus 12. Okay, so both answers are correct. So what do you do actually? You bring this, you bring them together down here. But remember to copy the sign that is in front. The sign belongs to in front of the number. No? So you write 3x squared. Then see what's the sign. It is some plus lah. If they don't write anything, means it's plus. 3x squared. Okay, plus 2x squared equals to 5x squared. Okay, that's what it means. So I will copy like that. Why? I want to make sure my brain is able to understand. Then I copy down here plus 7 plus 5. So I just copy plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, I get 12. You see? Then 3x squared plus x squared, there's a square here. 3x squared plus 2x squared is 5x squared. So congratulations, Mr. Ryan. This is 5x squared. Well done. Same thing for Shafi's case. Copy the sign that is in front. Down here, there's no sign. Means it's plus lah. 8y squared. Then what do we do? 6y squared. Copy together. Don't copy the wrong sign. The sign is minus, not plus. You copy minus 6y squared here. Okay. And then down here, minus 1 plus 4. I'm like Inshida, I don't like to put the minus first. So I put a plus 4 lah. Plus 4 minus 1. It's easier for me. If 4 minus 1, I get 3, correct? 8y squared minus 6y squared, 2y squared, correct? So this is also correct. All right. So well done. Okay, now we are going to move on to, we'll move on to the next, down here. Can you do now G and H? Okay, Inshira, you do G, and H, we open up to anyone. Inshi, are you okay? You look not okay. You're okay, not? If you're not okay, you must tell me, Not okay, you must tell me. Okay, Inshi, you got to answer for the first one, Inshi. Just tell me. Shafi, you finish, eh? No. Shafi, you got your WA test paper back?
WA, sir.
Sorry?
WA, sir.
Your CA1.
Oh, yeah.
Can you make a copy, take a photo, and send to me? Did you
Okay.
how do you do? You can message me your score if you're the thing. Do you pass?
Okay. Yeah.
Are you happy? This is the first time passing or you passed before? Last year you
Pass.
passed. Last year
Yeah.
pass. Okay. So you show me, you take a photo and show me the paper. Ryan also, you have your test paper already? You take a photo, all the pages, okay? Then send to me. Same thing, Inshira. So what we do, maybe next week, I might go through some of those questions. All the questions you get wrong. So we start cleaning up what you don't understand. Okay, tuition is supposed to be teaching you what you don't understand. Now I'm going through some of you may already understand this. So Inshira, what's your answer for this one, Inshira? Know how to do? Can? Just tell me an answer. Inshira. You send already, yeah? Just tell me an answer lah. What is it? Can do or cannot do? Cannot. Cannot hear you lah. Okay, we do together then. I do not know whether you can hear me or not. So now, first we group all those that are same down here. Can you see? Minus x2. I put it here. Then we x square, we put all the x square. Remember, for me, I use a system of circling. I will circle it. Okay, let me see. Inshira put minus 5x square. Okay, that one is already wrong already. When she say minus 5x square already, is sudah salah. Kerana dia tidak mau dengar sistem saya. Now, Inshira, ini bulatkan plus ni di sini. Okay, so I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to put it like that. I put this one down here. If you are confused, I put this. I'm going to put it together down here. See, 4x square. I put it your style. I put a plus in front. 4x square. Can you see? 4x square. Allahu Akbar. Maybe hold on. Let me just use the. Sorry, yeah. I'm going to use this thing here. Okay, now I'm rearranging it. I put 4x square first. Okay, and then minus x square. Why do I do this? It's easier for me. I can also do it this way. I can put minus x square plus 4x square. It's tougher for me to imagine. So I'm doing like that. So once you do like this, Inshira, can you see not? It's no longer 5x square. It's 3x square. Correct not? Can see not? Can you see? Then you go for the next one, x. Minus 7x minus 3x. Okay. Minus 7x minus 3x. Okay. And then the number plus 12 minus 8. I arrange it like that. So I go 4x square minus x square equals to 3x square. Then you owe $7, you owe $3. Altogether, you must owe more money, owe $10. 12 minus 8 plus 4. You see, is it plus or minus? Look at the number. The positive number is bigger. You have $12. You pay $8. You must have balance, what? So this is your answer. Ryan can get this answer, Ryan. 3x squared plus minus 10x plus 4. Can you get answer? Can or not?
No.
No, but you understand this one or no?
Yeah.
Are you sure now? Your yeah doesn't sound convincing. Okay, we'll go through one by one. We'll go through one by one. Okay, where is Shafi? Run away. Okay, now, Ryan, what we do now? Ryan and Ishira, I show you this method. Very simple method. All the same aliens, you group them together. This is one alien, same as this one. How do you know? You look x square. X square, x square. Now the next one, I use another color lah. All right. This one is another alien. X is another alien. I do not know what it is, but I know it's alien. The last one is number, got nothing behind it. So I group it together lah. That means what? This 4x square and so 4x square because it's plus, right? 4x square. I write it here, minus x squared, right? Then I arrange this, minus 7x. Can you see I'm arranging it? Right, minus 7x. Then minus 3x, right? And then the last one is number. Number is a different alien also, plus 12, minus 8. Notice the sign is always in front of the number. I must bring the whole thing down. So once you arrange like this, you do step by step lah. 4x squared minus x squared, 3x squared lah. 3x squared. Allahu Akbar. How come this pen smudging? Okay, 3x squared. Then down here minus 7x. You owe $7. You owe $3. Altogether you must owe more money, right? You owe $10. See how you get 10? Just plus together. Plus all your utang. You utang $7, utang $3, plus them together, you utang $10. Then this one 12 minus 8. You know what 12 minus 8 is? 4. Now how do you know it's plus 4? Because the 12 is bigger than the 8. If you pay $8, you still got balance left. Okay, this is it. Now you try what's the next one. Anyone got answer? Please key in your answer. Try this one. Now you remove the bracket first. Minus, this one becomes plus. You rewrite the whole thing like that. And then you tell me what is the answer. What is the answer? Okay, can you just send me your answer down here? I'm opening up the bracket for you so that you all know what to do. Like that. Inshi, okay, Inshi? Inshi, you're right. Shafi, your cousin is not alright. You must console her lah. No, you will never console her. Never. Aduh. Anyone got an answer? Please key in into the chat, please. I feel as if I'm running a game show. Inshira, are you there, Inshira? Is someone beside you in bed? Yes. No. I thought I saw another hand. Inshira, you know what to do for this one? Group of the same alien together. Not alien, Alien is okay lah. Let us see now. Who has sent me the answer? Hold on. Oh, Shafi. How come there's the 2y, you're not going to combine together? Shafi, you look at this. X squared must simplify lah. Down here, x squared, let's say, is banana split. 4 banana split, utang 1 banana split. You pay up, you got 3 banana split. X, let's say banana. You utang 7 banana, you utang 3 banana, utang 10 banana. You don't just write everything down here, you must simplify. Simplify means you can minus, you minus. You can plus, you plus. You can makan, you makan. Ryan, you got it, Ryan? No.
I don't understand. Like,
okay, you don't understand what. Okay, now I do a simple stuff for you guys now. Okay, if you still don't understand, that means you don't understand what we are doing now. Okay, I show you down here. This one you surely understand. You don't understand? Habis. Now you all know what this is down here. This is outside your door lah. Okay. Sorry, Now, when you are doing this, they ask, this is outside your door. This is slipper Jepun. No, the flippers, And this is your shoe. Now, what they want you to do is to group all the shoe together. So they want you to do it like that. Put the shoe, neaten it down here. And then down here, you put a plus, put the slipper Jepun here. That's what we are doing down here, Ryan. Don't look that side, Ryan. Look here. You see now outside your door, you have all bersepa, the shoe down here, slipper. So they want you to neaten it, put all the shoe one side, all the slipper another side. That's what you are just doing. Same thing. Down here, you're also doing the same thing. This is like your slipper. This is another slipper. This one shoe or whatever. So let us see, yeah. Okay. You must understand XY is different from, let me see. Okay, Shafi'i, okay. So let us do together, okay. Let us find out how many different types of items there are. So first, we rewrite 9 minus 6y square. So far, okay not? Ryan, I'm just typing this down. 9 minus 6y square plus 9y square. Minus, minus, I remove the bracket. Minus, minus become plus. 2y square plus 9xy. Now, how many different items are there? Like there's not on the board, you see slippers and shoes. Down here, this 9 is something different from the y square. So you have y square, y square. How many y square you have? Oh, this 9, 9y. So there's 4 different items, you know. Can you see the 4 different items? This is item 1. Got no tail, no xy. This one is item number 2 with y square. This one is also item number 2, y square. Y is also different. Item number 3. XY number 4. So your final answer must have 4 terms. They just want you to arrange it neatly. That means you can do, okay, Shafi did this way, like you put 9. Okay, then after that, you want to put y, this one become plus, right? Plus 2. 6 minus 6 plus 2. So becomes, how come you get 5? Minus 6y square plus 2y square. You utang $6. You have $2. You still utang $4. Correct, not Shafi? Then down here, plus 9y. And then plus 9xy. You see, there's 4 items. You cannot combine the items. You cannot combine items, no. This one is different. Different item, different item. Now, this one like that, sometimes, normally we write the number at the back. But it's okay. If you can get your answer like that, for now, it's okay. Later on, we will get you to arrange neater. So down here, what is all this? These are all different items. Y square is different from y, different from number. So down here, there's 3 different items. Y square, y, and no, just number. You get it now? You get it now? There's different items. You cannot combine. You cannot say 4y. 4y square plus 9y. You cannot plus them together. You say, no, I can, I want to, because it's y. Cannot. Say why? This one is like apple. This one pineapple. You see, both of them got apple, what? But you cannot combine them. Pineapple and apple is different fruit, even though they have y same. So that is an example. I hope it's okay. We are going to move on again. We only got 45 minutes. Remind me, I don't want to stop. Okay. Now, they want you to add. So they want you to add this to this. So let us try 1 and let us try 2. B and C. B and C. You try. Just give me a moment. Okay, if you got your answer, please type it into the thing. You must ask yourself how many different items are there. All right. For B, there's only 2 items. For C, let us see. Inshira, I think you sent. Inshira. Ryan sent. Okay, Ryan, this one they ask you for addition, Sum. Sum means you plus, you don't minus. Sum down here means you plus. So now how? So you do like that now. Minus 8y squared plus 3y. Then you plus this one. Actually, you got to plus like that lah. Okay, I draw for you like that. It's like this. It's two groups. It's like this. Then you remove the bracket. You remove the bracket, actually there's like, it becomes like this. Remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. So now, Ryan, let us look step by step. Let us look down here. You utang $11. You utang $8. These are same creature. So you must utang more. You cannot say, I borrow money from you, borrow money from you. Now you owe me money. No. You owe them money. How much you owe? 19y squared. Because you utang. What? Can you see this minus means utang? Utang. Then now here, 3y plus 4y plus 7y. Okay, let us see. How did... Oh, ignore it. Shafi'i. Okay, Shafi'i, you got it correct. Inshira. Okay. All right. So we try the next one. C now. Shafi'i, you done C? No. Inshira alone. Let me check Inshira. I will check yours in a moment. Okay, the rest, can you try C? You must make sure how many terms are there. One. Your x squared is correct, Inshira. Your number is correct, Inshira. Inshira, your C is correct. Congratulations. What about the rest? Okay, Ryan. Congratulations, Ryan. Only one mistake. Shafi'i. All right. Okay, Ryan, just one thing. You utang 9, you utang 6, you utang total 15. That's the only mistake. Okay, you get it, Because you utang what? You borrow $5. Sorry, you don't borrow how many? Hold on. You see, you borrow $6, you borrow $9. So altogether, you borrow $15. You do not have $15. That money is not yours. You borrowed. Unless we are gangsters, you say, no, I borrow your money, but I did now have it. Okay, that one is different. That one is gang. Gang. Okay, we try. Next one. Okay, now subtract is different. Subtract, you remember just now I use a bracket. So I'm suggesting for you, when you, okay, never mind, you try lah. This one you try. From means when you say from, this one has to be in front. That means you must write this in front of here. Then minus this one goes here. When you see from, all this is all in front, all in front, all in front. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, Inshira, you awake? Inshira, you awake or not? Inshira, what are you doing, Inshira? Are you happy? Happy? Must take care of your mom, How is she, okay or not? She's in a wheelchair or can walk? Can she walk, your mom? Okay. All right. Okay, you try question number 4. Shafi, are you in a hotel, Shafi? Wow. Which hotel are you at?
4 point.
For what?
Point.
4 point. Where is that?
I think around.
Around where?
I'm
Orchard,
not sure.
Not sure.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think if let's say I want to go for my staycation at Hotel 81? Is it okay? Just joking. You go Hotel 81, might as well stay at home. Okay, once you get the answer, please send it to me. All right, we have the first one. Let us see. And she forgot lah, and she 6x squared plus 24x, you must put it in front. You put it behind. You put it behind or in front? You didn't hear what I was saying now. Shafi, you got an answer, Shafi? What's the answer? Have you sent me? You sent already. Shafi, subtract, no, you go in plus. Okay, so all of you hit the jackpot. So here I'm going to show you now step by step. Watch. From means you must put this in front. So what do? I do like that. For me, I always do like that. Why? It's very, very clear. What is very, very clear? You're going to watch now. What is very, very clear? I'll show you. What is very, very clear down here. Watch. So down here must be in front. Inshira, you must put this in front. Do you put it in front? You must put it in front down here. Because from what? Dari. From is Dari, right? So got to be in front here. Down here now, you put 4x squared. All right. Plus 15. Also miss lah, Shafi. That's why you didn't use this bracket. Now I tell you why is this bracket is very important. Watch. I remove the bracket down here, got no problem. Why? When there is no minus here, you can copy exactly down here. 6x squared plus 24. But when there is minus like here, this is minus and plus. This is plus, you know. This here is plus. Down here, this is a plus. We don't see the plus here. So now, let me just get the ink again. So this one is a plus down here. But we don't see the plus. Minus and plus give you minus. Minus what? 4x squared. Now, Shafi, this is what you missed out, Shafi. Minus and plus give you minus. Can you see now? Minus and plus give you minus. Minus what? 15x. So when you remove the bracket from the minus, the sign must be opposite. Plus down here become minus. Plus down here become minus. Now then you can minus lah. 6x squared minus 4x squared, 2x squared, not minus 2x squared. You have $6, you minus $4. And then this one 24 minus, sorry, not 15x. There's no x here. It is x. Oh, is there x? Oh, there's x here also. Sorry. There's also x here. 24x minus 15x plus 9x. Now, if you don't get it, we cannot move on yet. So, Ryan, are you okay? You sure? You sure? Inshira, you okay? Shafi, you understand? So remember, if let's say you have a minus in front down here, let's say you have down here 2y minus 7x plus 3. You must remember that this minus now will become minus 2y. Why minus 2y? Because this is plus. Minus and plus give minus. Minus and minus give you plus 7x. And then minus and plus give you minus 3. When you take out the bracket, this is what happens. Okay, we are gonna move on to the next question, which is this one. We do B lah. We do B. You try B. I suggest, remember, from is in front, put a minus like that, put a bracket. It might be easier for you. You won't make a mistake. But this one got to go in front. From got to go in front. Okay, Shafi, what's your answer? You finish reading. Can you type your answer and see? Let's see. No, but Inshira. Okay, Ryan and Shafi, your answers are not correct. Okay, I will have to show you now. All three answers are not correct unless I make a mistake. Maybe I made a mistake. So let us see. We check through. So what do we do? Remember, this one got to be in front. So I'll use a bracket. Why I use a bracket? Because I want to feel safe. Minus x plus 10. Bracket. Minus. Because subtract this, you see. The question says subtract this from here. So now I must put a minus here. I'll open a bracket. Why open a bracket? I do not want to make a mistake. What mistake? You watch. Some of you have made a mistake. Watch. So down here, if you have no sign in front or plus, you just copy everything the same. 3y squared minus x plus 10. Now down here now, minus 8y squared. Why minus 8y squared? Minus and plus, this one is a plus on here in front. We don't write the plus. Minus plus give you minus. Next one, minus and minus give you plus. Shafi, second time, Shafi. Minus minus give you plus. Minus minus give you plus. So now down here, what do? We group them together lah. There's three different items. There's y square, there's x, and there's number. So Ryan, this is not x square, it's y square. So we put 3y square minus 8y square. Okay, so down here, and then minus x plus 10 plus 7. So Ryan, 3 minus 8. You have $3. You owe $8. Altogether, you still owe 5y squared. You must put a minus in front, Ryan. And then minus x, all of you got this one correct. But the last one is plus 17, not 3. All three of you wrote 3. Why? Because you took 10 minus 7. But remember, this is minus 7. And there's a minus here. Minus minus gives plus. How? Okay, now we move on. We move on. Let's see. Just let me look at the answers again. Apa penat bro macam ni? What happened? Why you send me? I do not know. You are tired ah. Alright lah, bro. Okay, sis. Okay lah. Okay, now this one, I'm just going to show you how to multiply. You're very tired, Inshira. You look tired lah. What do you do? Okay, now this one means you must times out here. I just show you the first one. Ryan, watch this. 7 times 5. You take number times number. 3 times 7 times 5, 35. Put 35x. But you must also remember to times the next one. 7 times 4, 28. You look at the sign. This is plus. You know, there's no sign. Plus and plus give you plus. You must refer to the chart lah. What chart? You know already the chart. Plus and plus is plus, right? Minus and minus is plus. That chart. Remember that chart? And then, okay, this one is plus. So now you try B, you try D. Okay, B and D.
So can I go to the toilet?
Sorry?
Can I go to the toilet?
Yeah, go, please. Please go. Okay, we have another 25 minutes left. 25 minutes left only. Ishira, you look as if you're going to knock out, Ishira. You look as if you're going to fall asleep. Don't fall asleep, please. Okay, Shafi'i. Congratulations, Mr. Shafi'i. But you forgot 2 times the one on the second part. Don't forget 7 minus times 4. 3 minus times 8 lah. Shafi'i. Don't just times the first one only. Must times both. You know what I'm talking about, Shafi'i? Your second one is correct. Okay, Inshira, Ryan, what about your answers for B and C?
I haven't do it.
Okay, you try. We can do together shortly. Inshira can do no, Inshira? Can or not? Shafi, then you try C also, Shafi. Okay, while we wait for the rest. Not sure about D. Okay, about C. 3 times 8 is not 32. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, but if you can get 24, your first one is correct. B is the same thing lah. Imagine there's a 1 on here. Imagine there's 1 on here. Take 1 times 10, 1 times 4. Okay, Shafi, C is correct. Oh, dah nak knock out already lah, the girl. Nak tidur already. Okay, Ryan, have you sent? Okay, Ryan, we do together, Ryan. 3 times 9.
27.
20, so you write 27x here. Minus, yes, okay. 27x minus 24, okay. So the next one now. The next one, sometimes students get confused, no? They say there's no number in front. Well, as I told you, the number is actually 1 down here. But we don't write it. Normally, we don't write it. Okay. Okay, this one, I just write the answer. So, imagine it's minus 1 lah. So, what's your answer, Ryan? If it's minus 1, what is the answer?
For which one? For D.
For the D. Minus 1 times 10.
10 lah.
Minus 10. So 10,
Ah,
but minus and plus, we got minus. Then minus 1 times 4.
minus 4
Okay, but minus and minus becomes
plus.
plus. So this is, you got to watch out like that. Okay, if you are ready for this, that means you are ready to go to the next level. Let me see. Okay, we try more complex one. Okay, D, F, E. D, E, F. So this one is only the 9. Only the 9 needs to be multiplied. Minus 9 lah. Okay. You show me your answer for D first, then if we need to run through, we'll run through. Okay, for Shafi'i's one, let's see. How come you get a square, Shafi'i? Shafi'i, this minus 2, down here, you don't times to the, this one, you don't times the 3, no. It's only the 9 that is being multiplied to this whole thing. So minus 9 times 3x, minus 9 times minus 7y. Don't get confused, no? Confused with what? Maybe in school you already done this, is it? School done this. So don't come, this different, That is different. We have not gone there yet. Inshallah, we're going to go there soon. This one is only the 9, Minus 2x and minus 27x, you can combine. There's only 2 items though. Okay, almost there, Ryan. Only thing, your x and y all disappear. Okay, then what about x? Okay, never mind. We'll go one by one. We'll go one by one here. Let us. Okay, almost. But you forgot about the. So your answer is correct, Ryan. But you forgot about something. You forgot about this minus 2x. So let us try. Okay, down here. So I just copy this minus 2x. Then I times it on 9 times 3, 27 minus 27x. 9 times 7y, 63y. Minus and minus give you plus. So these two, Ryan, this you must combine these two. Minus 2x and minus 27x. These 2x you must not forget, Ryan. So you get minus 29x plus 63y. This is your answer for question number D. Yeah? Okay, I repeat that, minus 29x plus 63y. Shafi, your x is missing. Okay, Inshira is not minus 63y, is plus, because minus times minus give you plus. Okay, just take note of that lah. Okay, other than that, you are getting it. You are getting it. Okay, so let us go to which one? Let us try question F. Okay, we got 15 minutes left, just 15 minutes more before the end. Oh. Sorry. The thing more. Sorry. Okay, Ryan, right, I'm checking your answer. So Ryan, you have now minus 27x and minus 40x. Well done. Can you combine them? It's supposed to be minus 3y, because minus 3 times plus y. Minus times plus equals to minus.
Need to combine.
Yes, must combine. Remember I told you, it's like you put all the slipper together, all the shoes together, all the x's together, all the y's together. This is what is called, when they tell you simplify or factorize, they're telling you to neaten your expression.
So should I do it correctly?
Okay, your 3y must be minus 3y. Because can you see, minus times plus, so must be minus. And then for your 40x, you did it correct. 40x, 4y also correct. So it's only minus 3y. Now you need to combine lah. Your minus 27x minus 40x. You owe $27, you owe $40. You must owe more negative dollars, right? And then 4y minus 3y, and you get your answer. Inshira, almost there. Your minus y is wrong, Shafi. Congratulations. Inshira, plus 4y minus 3y, plus 4y minus 3y. You have $4, you utang $3. Do you still utang one more dollar or you have $1? It might be plus y lah. Okay. Plus y. Okay, yes. All right, correct. So Ryan, minus 27x plus 63y. No, that's the earlier one. I'm confused. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, that's the early one. So Ryan, okay. Okay. Okay, correct. So now what you do, don't forget the x now. You see minus 27x minus 40x, you put equals to minus 67x plus 1y, remove the 1, put y. And your answer is correct. Okay, yeah? You're all right? Okay. So well done. Okay, all of you guys, you are getting it, and we are getting now this one. Okay, we do one last headache one lah. Okay, we do headache. Okay, this one Shafi already champion, so I'm gonna show you what this means. So watch, watch carefully. Okay, Inshira, I know you're tired, but you just try to watch carefully. Down here now, this time you have bracket times bracket, so you must times that. A times x, you get ax, and then a times y, you get plus ay, and then after that how? B times x, you get plus bx. Okay, and b times okay, b times y, you get plus by, and you cannot combine them. Okay, these are your four terms. Why? They're all different aliens. Ax, ay, bx, by. We just leave the answer like that. This slipper, this is slipper Japon. This one sandals, this one shoes, some boots. Don't combine them together. You just leave it them. But notice, it's different from like this. Just now they give you something like this. Just now they gave you like that. So when they give this one, Shafi got confused because in school he already done this. So if you get like that, only this one only multiply. This one no need to multiply. But now they bracket it up. You got the multiply. So can you try B? Can you try D? Okay. You follow this one. You follow the A one. Oh yeah. Shafi, where are you at now in school? Are you
For me.
yeah, for max, quadratic equation? No.
Right.
You finish this one and all this you finish.
Because of this.
You did the completing the square method?
Yeah.
You know, completing the square method. Okay, never mind. Next week we try to do part of it. All right, B and D.
I don't understand.
Okay, so down here, right? That's now down here you understand, right? B times x, B times y. But once they put a bracket like that, means this bracket times bracket now. When you have bracket touching together, means bracket times bracket. Means not only this part B times here, no. A also must times here and times here. That's what it means. So now let us go through all the times now. So A times x, Ryan. AX, A times x. So I already times from here to here. Now I must take A times the y. A times y, Ryan, what is it? AY, yeah. Plus and minus, this is plus, becomes minus. Because this is plus. This one is minus, become minus. Now we finish with the A. Now we use the B down here, this one, 2 times. B times x, Ryan.
Bx.
Bx plus or minus?
Minus.
Why you say plus? Because plus and plus. Plus and plus according to chart is plus. Next one, Ryan. B times y.
BY.
BY. Plus and minus.
Minus.
Minus. So this is your answer lah. See what sort of answer is this? This is just the answer. Okay, Ryan, I need to test you this. Let's say minus times minus, what's your answer?
Plus.
Okay, plus times plus.
Minus.
Don't say minus. I caught you now. You have already now in your mind, you have the wrong formula now. You got to erase that formula. Okay, so inside your mind, say plus times plus is always plus. Always plus. Okay, these are the two plus. Same sign, minus minus give you plus. Plus plus give you plus. You must auto correct because you have already wired it in your brain, you know. You have already wired in. So this is automatic for you. It's coming out automatic. You got to check your mental habits. The other one, plus and minus, is minus lah. And then minus and plus is minus. So Ryan, you got to check. This one you got to be very careful.
Okay.
Why? Because it's already auto mode. Auto mode is you got to cleanse it up yourself. Okay, Inshira, what's your answer for D? Inshira, have you given me the answer? Let us see your answer. Let's see, Inshira says D. AX. Okay, I write down her answer. She said AX. And then Inshira minus AY. Minus BX. Last one lah, Inshira. Last one. Inshi, where are you, Inshi? Inshira. Alamak, this girl has. Inshira, you see minus and minus. Minus and minus. Inshi. It must be plus, not minus. Plus BY. Not so that's Shafi'i. Okay. Ryan, you get it, Ryan? Inshira. Minus times minus. Minus B times minus Y. B times Y, BY. Minus minus is plus. Be careful. Minus times minus is plus. Be careful, Okay, we move on. Okay, we move on. Once you get it, this is simple stuff lah. Once you get it, okay. This next one, okay, maybe we have 5 minutes more. Okay, we try H first. H and I. Okay, this one is the same thing times 3. This one times 3, then bottom times 3. So you try H first, and then I. Okay, we got 2 answers over here. Inshira. All right, we will go through. Let's check Shafi's answer. Shafi correct. Okay, we go through. Ryan, okay. All right, no problem. So 2 persons, only Shafi understand that. Let's try. So down here now, we times this 5H by X. So, okay, I give you the procedure is number times number, letter times letter. So 5, actually down here there's 1. So you write 5 lah. H times X, HX. Okay, this part okay, right? Then we times the next one. Okay, don't worry about the sign first. 5 times 10, 50. Don't write the 5 sign first. Just write 50. H times Y, HY. Now we look at the sign. This is plus times minus. Minus lah. Okay. Now the next one down here. Now is the next one. This times this. Minus, don't just K times X. KX. Okay, minus times plus. Minus. Okay. Now the next one now. K, this is 1K. This is, if you have like X is 1X, right? So this is 1K. 1 times 10, 10. K times Y, KY. Minus times minus, plus. So let us see, any of them the same animal. HX, different from HY. Different from KX, different from KY. You cannot combine them. Okay, we do the last one now. We do the last one together lah. We do the last one together. This one same thing. Ryan and Inshira, same thing. What do you mean by same thing? It means you have to times everything. That means down here, M must times down here, M must times down here, M must times down here. All right, and then same thing for N lah. N must times from here, N must times from this, N must this. Same thing. So we do together lah. We do together. Okay, just straight. Okay, down here remember. Okay, if it helps you, you put 1 lah. If it helps you, put 1. 1. If it helps you. So what is it? Number times number. 1 times 3. 3. M times X. MX. That's the first one. 1 times 8. 8. M times Y. MY. Now, what about the sign? Plus and plus. Don't write minus, Aren. It's plus. Okay, careful. Next one. 1 times 1. 1. M times Z. MZ. Plus times plus. Plus. Next one now. Next one, you times this one. This way, N. So, 1 times 3. 3. N times X. NX. Plus times plus. Plus. Next one. 1 times 8. 8. N times Y, NY. I know this one can put you to sleep, but what to do? I need to show you like that. Plus times plus. Plus. Next one. 1 times 1. 1. N times Z. NZ, New Zealand. Plus times plus. Plus. Now you check now. MX. Any MX? No MX. Only one. MY? No MY. MZ? No MZ. No other MZ. NX? NY. So this is your answer. There are 6 different items. Okay, never mind. All right. If you are, remember when you get to something new, normally sometimes you might feel a little bit confused. It's okay. This is normal. This happens to every level. Anytime you, let's say, first time you see a jinn, you'll be confused, not only confused, be scared. Right? First time you see an alien, you also feel confused and scared. Same thing. So we'll catch up again next Sunday, all right? Take care of yourself. Okay, be happy. Inshira, smile more, Inshira. You are very tired, always. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Take care. Any questions, ask me. Ryan, you message me, well done. So if Shafi'i, Inshira, questions you don't know, please message me. But you must take photo of your test paper, send the whole thing to me. I want to check and see whether I can help you guys.